Friday, April 12th, 2024. About 1 o'clock. 63, 64 degrees, going to about 65. 42 tonight, 75, 47 tomorrow night. This is Huffaker on the lower end, west end. We'll be turning left on Big Texas Valley and going to the creek up here and walk down to the railroad trestle. We're going to cross over the creek right here. Be a nice place to park, but it's private property here. We wouldn't have access to the creek, or not legal access anyway. And we've just turned onto Big Texas Valley, the lower end, headed towards US 27. Psych story. We'll go up here. The water's not that clear. We won't probably try to get a camera in the water. It's been a good bit of rain. I think they're putting in fiber optic, more fiber optic or whatever along these roads here. And this is a hiking trail here. Let's turn it off and we may hike down there. There's a Jiffy John up there. Let's stop. We'll turn it off right here. Well, I didn't know I knew this was a trail. This is an old railroad track. But that's a Pinhoti. This is a Pinhoti trail then. I didn't know this was a Pinhoti. This trail's about 300 miles long. It starts off in Alabama, lower Alabama, or either northwest Georgia, wherever you want to call it, and runs about 300 miles, I think, and parts of it are considered very difficult. One of the most difficult trails there is around. I think they're putting fiber optic in. Got some wildflowers over here. I don't know what those are, but they're pretty neat, aren't they? Of a bluish gray. Interesting. We'll go down to the railroad track in a minute, or the trestle. Well, I think the van will be safer right here. They've got this tent here, so they're working on the fiber optic or whatever it is they're working on. People will think I'm in that tent working. Be less likely to stop and create havoc. Yeah, so you got the turkey foot, Pinhoti. And you got those orange top communication cables. Now I don't know if it's correct or not, but Google Lens identified these little yellow flowers as winter mustard. Last time we were here, the trail was blocked with a couple of trees down. I said, this is an old railroad track. I think it closed down maybe the late 1930s. covered in the birch trees. I think I saw some rhododendron blooming down here on the side of the creek. I don't know if we'll see any along here or not. Well, let's be seeing, what wildflowers are these? What are these? These aren't cone flowers, are they? Before digging, fiber optic cable. Got a cardboard box and slide down that hill, that'd be alright, wouldn't it? I don't know how you'd get back up the hill, but sliding down it on a cardboard box would be fun. Or if it's a big enough cardboard box, get in it. Go tumbling down it. Everything has greened up. Not fully blossomed out or bloomed out, leafed out, whatever you want to call it yet. So we can still see a lot of stuff. Won't be long, a lot of this you won't be able to see at all. It looks like people who are more nimble than I scoot down this bank right here. Now we have gone around this right here and gone down underneath here. We may do that. But I have a corn, bunion, or whatever you want to call it on the inside of my little toe. And it is giving me all sorts of grief. So I don't want to rub it against the other toe. I'm using padding to keep it off from the others, but going down these rough hills and stuff invariably is going to make the toes rub. Snakes will be out. Be looking for them. There's another little wildflower. I'm gonna get some still pictures of that. They're all over the hill here. We're going to cut this off for a minute and get some pictures of these wildflowers. I walked right by this while ago and didn't see it, did I? Rhododendron. this is, it'll be blooming next week. Anyone? Braxton? Could this be mountain laurel? I don't know. Again, the Pinhoti Trail. Whatever this is, it'll be blooming next week. Again, Pinhoti Trail, Floyd County, Georgia.